Films has been a huge part of our lives. We all love watching movies, whether it's a great, good, or a disaster movie. But I wonder why we all love movies. Is it the complete entertainment, or the transportation from reality, or the technical beauty, or the deeper messages that a story can convey? So here we are with the main reasons for why do we love films. Films are a way of escaping reality and getting immersed in a fictional world for a few hours. Movies separate us from the reality and keep us engaged in an alternate world. If we are stressed out, a proper film would give us some idea and time to pull ourselves together. Cinema lets people forget their troubles. Any aesthetic experience is in some way of escapist. Films could act as an inspiration to us in many ways. Everything we do would have been inspired from a film, such as the way we talk, walk, and dress. We sometimes follow our favorite actors' mannerisms also. Even the idea of proposing to our loved ones in such a way came from films. Films inspire us to think more and do more in real life. Whatever film we watch, we learn something new from it. It could be anything. It could be history, science, or a life lesson which could change our lives. Majority of us learn better with a visual representation of a process than textual description. The experience of a great film stays with us for a very long time. When we watch a film, we often come across characters in whom we see our own reflection. Empathy is a key characteristic of humanity, and it is explored boundlessly through films. We cheer the underdog, we resent the villain. We could actually relate with them. If the character is going through tough times and is in similar situation as us, it could soothe our pain, and if they achieve something in life, it would motivate us. We feel this way because we see ourselves in them. We project ourselves onto the screen and gain comfort by knowing that we are not alone in this world with our emotions and struggles. Of course, not every one of us could afford to travel around the world, but films allows us to do it without leaving our rooms. We could connect with the landmarks around the world and get to know different cultures throughout the globe just through world cinema. We have been told stories from our childhood by our mothers or grandmothers. We grew up and the only thing we changed is the medium of storytelling, that is cinema. Movies show us who we are. They show us pieces of our lives, the emotions, the feelings, and the characters that mean so much to us by telling these stories and bringing these part of us to life right in front of us. It's like seeing everything you know from a different perspective, reliving your greatest and worst moments but with fresh eyes, finding out more about the world. We often see great movies based on a true story, and these movies inspire us also. Our love for stories remain the same. Movies, in my opinion, are the greatest form of art. The art form with the biggest impact, the largest budgets, and the most widespread audiences. They entertain us, make us emotional, and teach us things. Films are a mixture of different art forms such as paintings, poetry, music, photography, and theatre. All the art forms in one place. Good movies can make anyone happy. Movies bring people together in a way no other form of art can. Movies are magic. Movies can give you life.